Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the online classes. See, schools, buildings are closed, but school is not closed, okay? We are still here. You're also here. I am also here to teach you and to guide you at each and every moment. So, let's start with a new chapter that is coordinate geometry. Today is Monday, 6th July. We have second period of mathematics. In this chapter, we will study about Cartesian plane. This is the Cartesian plane in which we draw all the things. Now see, the vertical line, see the vertical line. This is the vertical line. It is known as y-axis. This is the horizontal line known as x-axis. These two lines meet at a point known as origin. Having the center 0, 0. Having the point 0, 0. Now, before the origin, everything is positive. Behind the origin, everything is negative in the horizontal line or the x-axis. Above the origin, everything is positive. Below the origin, everything is negative. Got it? So this will become positive x-axis from this origin to this line. From here to here, negative x-axis. Above, positive y-axis. Lower, negative y-axis. Now this particular diagram is divided into 4 parts. First, second, third, fourth. These are known as quadrant. Got it? First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. This is the basics of the chapter which I am explaining you. After just going through with this video again and again, you can easily do the question answers of exercise 3.2. So this is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. As we know, coordinate should be in the form of x comma y. We have to write x first, then we have to write y. X comes first, then y comes. Now see the quadrant. X comma y. X is positive, y is also positive. The first quadrant contains both the positive coordinates. Second quadrant, x and y. X is negative sign upward. Y is positive sign upward. Minus, plus. Again, x and y are both negative. That is x-axis and y-axis. Negative. Now again, fourth quadrant, x is positive, I put the positive sign. Y is negative, I put the negative sign. So the first quadrant points are always positive. Second quadrant minus plus, third quadrant minus, fourth quadrant plus minus. The very beautiful thing about this Cartesian plane is first quadrant contains positive, just a mirror image. Third quadrant contains negative. Minus plus, ulta ho jayega. This will become plus minus. Got it? You will come to know the terms about abscissa means x-axis, ordinate means y-axis. Abscissa or coordinate also we will be learning in the further questions. Got it? Just look at the diagram very carefully. Now we will start with exercise 3.2. 3.1 is an activity based exercise. You can do it your own or you can leave it also. When the school gets open, we will do at that time only. Now exercise 3.2. Question number 1 says, what do you mean by horizontal line? It is x-axis. Vertical line means y-axis. The name of each part of the plane is quadrant. The point where these two lines intersect is called origin. Where these 2 points meet is called origin. I have told you. Got it? Now these are the answers of the question. In question number 2, you were given a diagram. According to the diagram, you have to find the coordinates. I have written the answers for you. You can easily match and you can easily do that question. Got it, everyone? God bless you, all of you. Do this exercise along, draw this diagram also, which I have just now explained, and draw the mind map also, which I have sent it to you. God bless you.